Hey guys, so one day you're going to start up your printer and you're going to see this message. Please wait, please wait. Toner low. Yes, that fateful day has come when you have to change the toner in your laser printer. And you know, you already bought the replacement cartridge ahead of time, didn't you? Well, if you didn't and you can't remember which one it is, there's a sticker right here on top that tells you what the regular capacity and the high capacity toner cartridge designation is. So this is the high capacity one. This is the low capacity one, TN730 regular, TN760 is the larger one. Well, where is the toner cartridge, just in case you forgot your instructions or don't know? So there's a little tab right here on the side where you can put your finger. There's another one on this side as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to gently, because it's plastic, gently use your finger to pop those open. And then what happens is this rocks down. And again, just in case this sticker on top is gone, there's another sticker inside that tells you what kind of toner cartridge it is. Toner cartridge TN730. TN760. It'll take anything that's compatible with that, and there's your serial number, by the way, in case you ever need that. So now you can see where the toner cartridge sits. So this is like a little handle, and you can take that with your left hand and very gently just pull it out. Okay. Now what I do is I just take the bag that the other cartridge came in and set that down, because sometimes this will leak, you know. Toner cartridge will leak. So now you take the replacement cartridge, you take the plastic off of the back of the replacement cartridge. Right? And what you do is slide that guy right in there. But first, what you have to do is you have to take this out of its casing. And how you do that, you take this cartridge out of this tray, right, by pressing this button down, this green button down, and then this lifts out like so. Okay, so this is your actual cartridge. This is the replacement cartridge. Okay, so put this to the side. So there's a little arrow that's right here. This kind of snaps into place. So if you didn't see that, there's a little tab right here. There's a little tab right here, and there's this green button right there. Okay, so you can either snap it into place like that, press the green button if you don't think it's perfectly sat, or you can do it like that. And then, before you actually put this entire assembly back in here, you can take this slider and move it from side to side a couple times. See? And there's instructions on here to tell you to do that. And that basically primes the new toner cartridge for use. Okay? So it's a little more, you know, complicated than just putting it in there. Now you take this entire tray, there's a little track that goes on, just kind of slides into place, like so. You can test it by pulling it back out. It just kind of slides right in there. See how it's not moving? Okay. You can flip the cover back up. Here says please wait. And if you did everything right, you get your regular screen, just like that. So that's how you replace the toner cartridge on your Brother laser printer. And this model is the HL-L2390DW. And that was a TN760 toner cartridge. And that's how you do it. So if this video helped you, please like it. Please subscribe to the channel, and that helps me. And I hope you have a great day. Happy printing. Take care.